Hello students, I hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I will be going to discuss about the application process and the admission process of German universities. So, as you all know that the education in Germany is free and you don't need to pay any fees in the German universities, and you have to secure admission in the university, and then you have to apply for the visa, and you will be getting free education in the Germany. So let's discuss that what is the process of getting admission in the German universities. So you have to go to the Google and you have to type DAAD, and this is the official website by the German government, and they uh, upload the latest admissions and latest scholarships on this portal. You can easily select your field of study, and you can easily select your program for which you are trying to get admission. So this is very detailed portal which is really helpful for the students. So mainly when you go to this website, this will be shown in the German language, but you can easily translate this to the English language, and now you can see that it is translated in the English language. So let's just close this, and now you can see there are different sections on this website, and you can easily select your field of study from here. So for example, if I want to get admission in data science, then I just need to type the data science, and you can see all of the suggestions which are available for admission in these universities. So you can select data science, and we can see that there are results for this specific term, and 195 universities are offering this specific course. So now I have to go to this first link. For example, I just want to apply in this university, which is George August University of Göttingen, and when I go to this website, let's just translate this into English, and now I can see the detail of this program. So this is in English language, and this is the master's program, so it means it has 4 semesters, and the focus of this course is computational neuroscience, bioinformatics, medical data science, and digital humanities. And if you want to see the tuition fees, just go to this link, and it will show the fee charges of the specific program. So you can see that they will charge only 400 euros. So this is just a amount for the registration process. Otherwise you don't need to pay anything for this. So this is the enrollment and re-enrollment fees, which is really nominal, so you can easily pay these fees. So let's just see the deadline for this, and if you want to contact the university, you can call them, plus you can also email them. So just see the deadlines for this. So go to this link, and you can see the winter semester fees and summer semester fees, and if you want to get the details of the other specifications, then you can go to permit. So application admission process is university admission process. So there are mainly two processes of getting admission in the German universities. One is the applying to the university directly, and the second one is the applying through Uni Assist, which is another portal for the uh, developed by the German government, in which you have to apply to that portal, and that portal will send the documents to the university. So I will make another video for that, but in this video I will just focus on the DAAD website. So this is just an example, and you can easily select the specific course here. So if we further uh, explore this tool here, so if I uh, select a specific degree here, so for example I want to apply for the masters, so it will show all the masters courses here. And now you can easily select other fields in the master course. So if you want to apply for engineering, just click on the engineering, and you will see in this course you will not see any uh, offerings here. Plus you can also select the state as well. So if you want to go to a specific state, then you can select a specific state here. Okay, and you can also select the language as well. So there are multiple courses which are being offered in different languages, so you can easily select the language you want to get admission in. So these are the specifications of how you can select the specific program. Mm, if we go to the main website again, then we can see some other options here. And if we can translate it into the English language again, okay, so this is now in English language. So you can go to this link, which is scholarship abroad. So this is the scholarships being offered to the international students. So let's just translate this into English. And okay, so 104 funding opportunities are available for now, and you can apply to these fundings, and you will be getting fully funded scholarships here. So annual scholarship for study abroad, scholarship for master's degree, combined study and practical semester abroad for students and master student. So these are different types of fundings for which you can apply directly, and you can avail the scholarship as well. So it is the grant database which is updated regularly, and you can easily find your funding here. Okay, so this is just the brief introduction of this portal, and this portal is really helpful if you want to apply for the admissions in the German universities. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can see um, more videos related to this kind of admission process. Thank you so much.